Tips and tricks to end your snoring. Many people say that it is rather hard to completely prevent someone from snoring, but that is only true if you do not take the necessary steps to figure what the causes are. Like anything in life, education is key, and this applies to snoring prevention too. Continue on for some great snoring prevention tips. Ask your doctor if any of the prescription, or over-the-counter medications, you are taking could be causing or worsening your snoring. Many medications can cause you to snore. There are several types which can relax your muscles. This just might result in a restricted airway. If your airway is reduced, you will snore. Tape your nose using specialized strips. Snoring is not only a problem in regard to your health, it can impact the health of loved ones. When you are snoring so loudly that those near you can get any sleep, it is a problem for everyone. Consider using unmedicated nasal strips to help control your snoring. You may want to look into magnetic therapy in order to end snoring. With this method, a plastic ring with two magnetic ends attached to your nose when you go to sleep. The ring helps to stimulate the sensors that open the nasal passages, thus, preventing a person from snoring. In order to stop snoring, go to your local pharmacy and buy some nasal strips. You don't have to put them on until bedtime. The benefit is that the strips will make your nasal passageways open up and permit more airflow. The end result is that you will snore much less. As stated from the video above, most people do not believe that you can prevent people from snoring. But if you know the causes of why a person snores, then there is no reason why you cannot make the necessary lifestyle changes to stop it from happening. Take the tips from this video and apply them to your own everyday life so you can stop snoring too. Would you like to learn this easy, throat exercise, that eliminates your snoring tonight? Visit secretsnoringhack.com. Want to stop snoring tonight? This simple, 3-minute exercise permanently eliminates snoring, as soon as tonight. Visit secretsnoringhack.com to learn all of this, and more. Link in the description.